What is the belt routing for a Craftsman 38 mower deck?
Hello, and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. Can you please repost the model number, making sure to include the period after the third digit? Without it, all we see is XXXXXXXXX since it looks like a phone number to the website software and it gets blocked. The model should look similar to ###. Here you go. Below is the procedure. Hope this helps.
Think you can get me the belt length?
Although I recommend using the 144,200 original equipment belt for best performance, it takes a ½ inch by 88 inches. I would recommend a Kevlar belt if using aftermarket, since the backside idlers put a considerable amount of stress on the belt. Although the aftermarket belt is considerable less if you don't mind replacing it perhaps a tad more often. Here are links to both just for comparison. Aftermarket OEM.
If I route the belt the way you told me, there is way too much belt. Are you sure that's for a 38-inch deck? I tried a 84-inch and that seems sloppy.
This is based upon model ###, which shows equipped with a 38 inches deck. Both the parts list and the manual show the same belt routing, and I've personally seen this configuration many times. Was anything changed from the original configuration?
My deck looks exactly the way your picture shows. Nothing looks worn or missing. Something is not making sense. Almost ready to take to a lawnmower shop.
Are you certain the belt is routing to the inside of the idler pulleys so that the back of the belt is against both? Are the brackets the idlers are on swinging freely and not bound in place by dirt or grass buildup that could be keeping them in a place, causing the belt to be too loose? How much extra belt do you have?
Rick, thanks for the help. We did have it routed the wrong way. I'll pay you now, and if I have any more questions I'll contact you. Once again, thank you.
Thank you so much and best of success with all your hands touch, and please remember that I can help you with all of your small engine and outdoor power equipment questions.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.